Hello again. On this part of the worksheet, we're going to talk about functions. Functions. Functions are when the input has one and only one output. Dr. Prince talked about that. He went into detail about that, where each student is your domain or your input. They have exactly one birthday, so that is one output, so that would be a function. So what does that mean? It means all the x values have to be different. If you have two x values that have two different y values in the ordered pair, it is not a function. A function is when the input or the x value has one and only one output or y value that matches up to it. So let's look at determine whether the relation represents a function. And we have -2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, all the x values are different. So therefore, this ordered pair or this relation, this set of ordered pair, which is also called a relation, it is a function. It is a function. All right, let's look at this one. You got -3, -2, 1, -3, and 0. Well, right here, this -3, the input has an output of 2. This input has an output of 1. You can't do that. That's a no-no. You can't do that, so it's not a function. Not a function. Why? Because the input doesn't have one and only one output. This input, -3, has an output of 2 and an output of 1. So it's not a function. Look at this. This is -2, -1, 5, 4, and -1. Well, this -1 goes to 0, and this input has an output of 7. So no, not a function. The x value can have only one y value. The same x value cannot have two different y values. So it's not a function. Well, you tell me about this one. This one's mapping. This 6, this input has an output of 3, and this input has an output of 5. So no, it's not a function. Because the input has more than one output. On this one, you guys should be able to see this one yourself. These are just points. And we use the vertical line test. The vertical line test is when you take a pencil and you go across this way, and if you don't touch one point more than one time, then it's a function. So this one is, yes, it is a function. Down here, number 20, I use my vertical line test, and everywhere my line crosses, my pencil crosses, I've got an x value here and an x value here that are the same. Here's an x value that's 2, and here's an x value that is 2. So again, all these places where it touches has two x values says that no, it is not a function. This one you should be able to use the vertical line test on and tell me whether it is or is not. This one also, The line is here, then it goes here, and then it goes here. Well, if I use the vertical line test on this, it covers this twice. This right here means that the x value is the same all along here. So no, not a function. All right, that should help you out there for those. And like I said, we're going to have a review and the test the end of the week. You'll have all weekend to take the test. So work hard, and Friday I will have, that's tomorrow, I will have office hours from about 11:15 to 12. If you need to work with me, you need to email me and tell me what period you're in, and I will send you a link to join my Zoom time, my office hours. I've learned better and how to control those. So y'all have a good day. Bye.